What's up, YouTube? Sorry, I've been a little AFK here lately, but got majority of the subs out. I still got a few left in my F-150, but coming to realize once we took some of these subs out, I didn't actually just blow one sub, but I blew 3 subs. So that's kind of why I've been down for a little while. As you can kind of hear, you can hear the coil scrubbing in there. Coil's messed up. And one of these, I think one coil is blown on each one of these. So that's kind of why I haven't really made a video. Hadn't really had a whole lot to do. That's why I buy some more subs. I did buy a Recon for, well, I thought it was going to be 1 sub. So I bought 1 Recon. But I think what I'm going to do is just buy 3 brand new subs and just leave that extra Recon just in case I mess something up. We'll see. But yeah, that's kind of what's been going on lately. I still got a few subs left in the F-150. But as you guys can tell, it's not here at the moment. One of my buddies is building an amp rack. And we're going to get that done probably next week or so. And I'll be able to show you guys a video. But he's bracing everything up in the back. And going to have a nice amp rack built. So hopefully, in the next week or two, we'll be able to order some more subs. And we're going to go back traditionally mounted and see if we can make a difference, see if it sounds better, and kind of go on from there and slowly do some more upgrades. But I really was going to try to recon it, but like I said, it was 3 subs, and I don't really want to recon 3 subs. So I'd rather just go ahead and buy them brand new. One of them, I can't remember if it's this one, but one of them's shake. Like, you can hear the coil, if you can hear that, but that coil is done for. And each one of these wanted blown, so I'm glad it wasn't 4 of them, because if you guys remember, there's 4 in a row in my F-150. And we don't really know what exactly caused it to blow, or them 3 to blow. But we did see them spark at TDH. So as far as I remember, the amps are good. Don't have any issues. But it's just the subs. So yeah, guys, it's just a little short update. What's going on? Why I hadn't made a whole lot of videos, not a lot of content, just because 1, I don't have my F-150, and 2, I really hadn't got around to getting new subs and installing everything in. But hopefully, mid-May, end of May, everything will be back up and running, and we should be good to go and have a nice amp rack built. I'm excited. I'm ready to get everything good to go, and we are going to brace everything and fix the baffle flex. So, also another thing about the baffle flex is I was going to put some bracing underneath, but what we come to realize is that underneath my baffle, there is steel. So there's like steel all underneath the baffle. And what had happened is we had some bolts. I don't know if I have any, but there were some bolts that came loose and pop out underneath the baffle all around it. So that's what was really causing the baffle flex, because I have steel underneath. And the baffle shouldn't be flexing a whole lot with steel underneath. So it was just a bunch of little like lag bolts. It's probably like 8 of them that had like came out. So I'm just going to buy some thicker, longer lag bolts or hex bolts, whatever you call them. We're going to throw them in that baffle. And it should secure the bottom side very well. And then shouldn't have any baffle flex. But I'll show you guys what I'm talking about whenever we get the truck back. But that's today's little update, guys. So stay tuned. New subs, new amp rack, and the build should be up and playing sometime soon, guys.